Okay, guys, it's hump day. You know what that means? Shot List Wednesday. We're doing Creed this week, so we're going to make a shot list for Scene 37, Adrian's restaurant. Let's take a look at what this scene is about.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about training me.
I don't do that stuff no more.
I heard about a third fight between you and Apollo.
How do you know all this?
He's my father.
Big plot reveal. But let's go back and start with our opening shot of that scene. First up, type it in, shot description, Adrian's restaurant. Shot size, it's gonna be a wide shot, knee level, custom movement. It's a crane down. Looks like they used a jib direction. We wanna go down. If we wanted to, we could add a picture. It's always nice to have a visual reference for this shot, but we're not gonna add it for every shot we do today. All right, here comes the next scene. Adonis walks in. We want this shot to be wide again, hip level, and then deep focus so we can see the whole restaurant. It's a static shot. Equipment will just need sticks again. Moving on with our next shot. Remember the picture we tagged on Monday? Well, here it is. Our shot size is a close-up. We do eye level, and it's also a point of view shot, and it's a static shot. We're using sticks. In the next shot, Rocky meets Adonis for the first time. It's a medium close-up shot, eye level, over the shoulder shot. We're in shallow focus. Tracking with rock. Equipment, we're going handheld. This is probably my favorite shot in the scene. Rocky and Adonis, and they're going to frame the photograph. Shot size, it's a traditional medium shot. It's shoulder level, so it's two shot, and it's a really subtle, shallow focus so we can still see the photo in the background. And for the equipment, it's handheld. Okay, so when your shot list is all done, you can print by image or by traditional shot list or by storyboard. What's great about this software is we have the scene number, we have the location, and also how many pages we're trying to shoot this day. That's it for Shot List Wednesday. I'm gonna head back into Adrian's restaurant because I am pretty hungry for a plate full of meatballs.